Voice command, phone. Voice commands are a convenient way to operate many of the systems in your Lexus. Pressing the talk switch for the first time will bring up a notification with options to begin voice recognition training. Choosing Do Not Tell Me Again will dismiss the message indefinitely. Choosing OK will continue with voice recognition. You'll also hear a beep that prompts you to speak a command from the on-screen menu. The microphone active icon will notify you when the system is listening. A green microphone will also appear in the Multi-Information Display, or MID. Now, let's take a closer look at how to operate your phone using voice commands. To make a call using voice command, ensure your phone is connected via Bluetooth. You can call by name or dial by number. Dialing by number is easy. Just press the talk switch on the left side of the steering wheel. Wait for the beep and say, dial 469-292-4000.
If 469-292-4000 is correct, say call. If not, add or delete digits or start over.
Call.
Calling.
Press the on-hook phone button to hang up. Now let's call by name. Press the talk switch, wait for the beep, and speak your command. Call Tom Smith. 4 types of phone numbers can be displayed: mobile, home, work, and other.
Tom Smith has 2 phone numbers. Select the one you want.
Mobile.
Calling.
The system will begin dialing the type of number you selected. Press the on-hook phone button to cancel the call. You can always press the talk switch and say, phone.
Here are some command examples for phone.
A couple of good phone commands to know are redial and callback. Redial dials the previously dialed number.
Redialing.
Press the on-hook phone button to end the call. Callback dials the last incoming call.
Calling back.
To turn off voice recognition prompts, press Menu. Then, select Setup. From the submenu to the left, choose Voice. And then select Voice Recognition Prompts to open it. Now, select Off. Once you've made your change, select the feature again to close it. The system will save your settings. When using voice command, remember, for best results, make sure that your windows are up to reduce background noise. You may also need to reduce your climate control's fan speed from high, as the microphone can pick it up. When speaking, speak normally and without pauses. Pronounce numbers as single digits. And, in case of a 0, say 0, not O. Please note that certain words, accents, or speech patterns may be difficult for the system to recognize. Use trained voice recognition to help the voice command system to adapt to your voice. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos, or go to lexusdrivers.com and select Videos under the Resource tab. Then search for a topic. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference your technology quick guide that came with your vehicle. We're here to help. Contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.